बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing fine. Since we are facing a global pandemic, I really hope that everyone is staying at their homes and are completely safe. Friday is considered to be a very important and special day in the life of a Muslim. That is why we chose Friday to upload an Iman Booster on our channel. Bi-iznillah. It will not only strengthen our Iman but will also give us a hope in these difficult times, inshallah. The topic which we chose for today is the word Allah, the meaning and the power of the word Allah. When we hear the word Allah, there are many questions that come in our mind. What is the origin of the word Allah? Does the word Allah came from the word Ilah, or is it a combination of Al-Ilah? Does this word belong to Allah before Arabic and any other language even came? Even if we believe in these concepts, I tell you, Ilah is the word having a very beautiful meaning, which is Al-Ma'bud. The word Aliha means love in Arabic. Before Islam, Arabs used to have degrees of love. They used to have 10 degrees of love. The 10th degree was the degree in which you went to an extreme position. You won't eat, you won't sleep, you won't do any other thing in your life. And the ninth degree is known as Wallah, Allah, from which the word Illah comes. The word Wallah means the kind of love when you have it, you don't feel pain, you don't feel hunger, you don't feel sadness, you don't feel thirst. Your appetite is so full of love that there is no room left for any other thing. This word surrounds you with positivity. When we say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we actually express our love to Allah. That if we have the true love for Allah, all our problems are gonna feel like nothing. We have many kinds of problems in our life. They are personal, professional, financial, legal, social, so many problems. All the time we think about our problems. If we have financial problems, we have this thinking in our mind. How much money do we have left? How am I gonna spend this money to fulfill my expenses? So and so and so. Our problems never tend to vanish. But when we say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we must be sure that Allah will remove all the tension from our mind and will replace it with reliance of Allah. Allah will sort everything out because you have this gift of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This thing, when you recite it, solves all your problems. This is why it is recited before every surah, every chapter of Quran. If we take an example of Sulaiman alayhi salam, it is used in the middle of his story. Have you ever realized why? Because Sulaiman alayhi salam is going to transfer the throne of another queen thousands of miles away in a blink of an eye, and he says Bismillah. That was his belief on Bismillah, that if he will recite Bismillah, his task will be very easy. This is what Bismillah does. If we realize why Allah has blessed us with this gift, neither we will be upset nor we will be depressed. A Muslim actually is not supposed to be upset. If we realize the real essence of the word Bismillah, all our problems will be gone.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To support our goal, like, subscribe and share our videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Allahu Akbar Kabira. Jazakallah.